Is up, guys? dgwhip here, back again for a really quick video. This is just an update video. I do have another car, yes, another Infiniti G35. Now this is the one that a lot of people want. This is the 2003 6-speed with the navigation system. Show you inside. It's a little rough in here. The interior could definitely be better. I might actually just go ahead and repair this entire seat and take it to a shop. The trunk latch doesn't work, so this is how I open the trunk. Kind of ratchet, I know. No radio, no shift boots, but this does start and drive. Now I'm going to show you something really goofy here. There's a reason why I only spent $2 grand on this. Now, do you guys happen to notice anything missing that might be important per se? I don't know, maybe the intake. Yeah, the intake is missing. And that is why it does not rev over 2,500 RPM. So yes, I drove it 30 minutes home, only doing 2,500 RPMs the entire time. But that, yeah, there's no mass airflow sensor connected. So of course it can't sense the air going into the engine and run properly. It was running super rich, and that's probably not good. No filtering of the air going into the motor. The dude said he had it for a month and he bought it like this, and car tuning problems you don't want to deal with. Now this is not the only problem. There's a reason why this was so cheap, okay? This is going to need a transmission. The pilot bearing, I'm pretty sure, is shot. The input shaft is probably bad, and the sync rails are bad in the actual transmission. It's drivable, but it definitely is not going to last too much longer. So I'm going to be doing a CD009 swap on this. It's going to be my first transmission drop. It's going to be really fun. I'm really excited for it. And that is the transmission that is a lot better. It does not, this is an earlier year, so it does not have the CD009. I believe this is like CD001 or something. I don't know. They're all technical terms, but we're going to get this. I want to restore this car. I want to get it back into really good shape. I want it great mechanically. It does need some little things here and there. It definitely needs some work, but it's going to be a really fun project. It's missing a spoiler, no big deal. I can get a cheap one, or I might even be able to throw my my old 06 one onto here. Definitely needs some cleaning up. It does have an aftermarket exhaust. I don't know what brand. I do need to take it into the garage and get underneath the car, see what's going on. It does have the Brembo brakes. I love that. Kind of want to snatch that. I definitely am going to be snatching this. This is the lip I wanted. This bumper is not on there very well. This is the lip I wanted. I'm going to sand this down and paint it and put it onto that G. That'll be really fun. And yeah, this is going to be a fun project. I love G35s. I love the VQ platform. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are excited to see the CD009 swap. And I'm obviously going to be doing the clutch and everything since I'm taking the transmission out. It's actually not that bad of a job. The drive shaft and exhaust comes out, and you undo the harness, and then you pretty much have access to drop the transmission. So you can actually drop it in a few hours, assuming you don't run into any problems like strip bolts or anything dumb like that. This is gonna be a cool project I'm gonna do on the side. I still need to finish the BMW. I'm waiting on parts. There's little things that kept like realizing I needed to replace them before a car was 100% to go. So it's been taking a little longer than I thought, but it's all good. We're missing an AC line, so that's probably why the AC doesn't work. Oh, and it needs a transmission mount. Yeah, this needs some work. This is lowered on, I think, tying coilovers or like lowering springs. I'm pretty sure it's lowering springs. Definitely needs some work, but it's all good. That's what we're in it for. This is gonna be a really fun project. I can't wait. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please tune in and subscribe to keep up with this project, and if you want to be keeping up with getting this car into SEMA in 2021. And until then, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.